one and all present here. Leadership is about having a compelling vision, a comprehensive plan, tremendous implementation, and above all, talented people working together with the capacity to translate vision into reality. The true mark of a leader is the willingness to stick to a bold, a course of action and unconventional strategy, a unique roadmap, a controversial campaign, even as the rest of the world wonders while you are marching up to start the school, really does understand that in the world of hyper competition and non-stop disruption, the only way to stand out from the crowd is to stand for something special. The Suprabhat Model High School is the cradle of learning that gives you infinitive opportunities to groom and nurture the innate potentials to offer your best to the world, recasting the mantle of responsibility to the new touch bearers. It is my privilege to welcome you to the first ever online investiture ceremony in the history of our school. This day certainly is beautiful and very special indeed. It is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. And an investiture ceremony is an official celebration of a person's installation to his or her authority, power, right and office. The investiture ceremony has been a traditional annual feature of our school. It is the day they officially don the mantle of responsibility and pledge to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities, well abiding by the rules and regulations of the school. The sparkling faces of the school and house captains, along with all newly appointed appointees, pronouncing the poise and devotion is the truly first insight to behold. It epitomizes their commitment to discharge their duties and responsibilities with greater proficiency. So, I end by saying, leaders translate dreams into reality. Leaders transform vision into action. Leaders to lead us. Leaders to guide us. Leaders to inspire and leaders who make our school proud. Thank you and all the best to all the newly appointed cabinet members for the academic year 2020 and 21.
I swear by the honor of Suprabhat Model High School shall I repeat? I swear by the honor of Suprabhat Model High School to abide by its rules and regulations during my stay in the school. I swear to be honest, sincere, loyal, and perform the given duties to the best of my abilities. I shall learn to serve my schoolmates, my teachers, my elders, and countrymen in the best possible way. I hereby swear to bring glory and fame to my beloved school.
everyone who have been selected as the members of the cabinet, and I expect that they are going to justify the duties given to you in the mode of leadership. Congratulations once again, students, for all the cabinet members. Now, coming back to the house, C.V. Raman House. I am going to introduce the C.V. Raman House. C.V. Raman House symbolizes green color, which means prosperity, represents the balanced growth, learning in harmony. It also revitalizes of the mind and the body. And the C.V. Raman, who discovered that when light transverses, a transparent material creates wavelength and scatters lights in the surrounding areas. In the same way, the C.V. Raman House of Suprabhat Model High School also transverses in different activities, imparting the knowledge and the students to achieve success in every field which they are interested for different competitions.
Teachers' Day is a special day for the appreciation of teachers and celebrating them to honor for their special contribution.
As a remembrance to the dedication what teachers show towards the society, to mark the gratitude, to mark the presence, we are here today to celebrate Teachers' Day along with the investiture ceremony. Now, as we all know, Teachers' Day is celebrated to express gratitude to teachers for their dedicated services to the society. We should definitely be thankful to them for the presence and the difference they make in the young minds. Education is the key to success, is a very simple thought we understand. Likewise, teachers are the key to education. Without teachers, we cannot imagine education, whereas it becomes baseless. Every one of us present here and watching me online, the students, the parents and the teachers there, definitely will have one person who would have influenced and participated the being we are today. Forever we are deeply in debt to teachers. Alexander the Great, in one of his writings, said, I am indebted to my father for the life I got and the living I am continuing today, but I am indebted to my teachers for living well. So that difference in thought surely makes us understand how teachers are important. Teachers' own value system directly influences the character and the well-being of students. Now, when we look into the society, and especially the present-day education, it is invariably seen that teachers are frontline participants. In our endeavors, we should definitely make children understand the empowerment of teachers. Why? Because teachers are not built by chance. Teachers come up to love their profession and extend their passion by looking into the happiness the children get when they teach in the class. Today, at this point of time, when this pandemic is taking a roar in the nation, teachers are the best caretakers even today we have to commit to, because even online teachers are doing wonders. And they are so connected to students that they are trying their level best to bring in the classroom atmosphere even though they are not physically present in classroom. So today we have both the challenge and opportunity to provide not only good education but good quality education to students. What the teacher is more important than what teacher teaches. Now not only today we are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Now as you all know, we have gathered here even to celebrate Invest-Teacher ceremony where 32 members, the brigade of SMHs is going to be installed, and today the swearing-in ceremony is going to happen. So I just want to give a small quote for us to understand who is a leader. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. But once you become a leader, success is all about helping others to grow. So what I feel is when you contribute helping others to grow, the true success reaches your life. So Invest-Teacher ceremony has always been a remarkable occasion, the event for us to remember, and a very important event for the academic calendar. Getting a school appointed, getting the cabinet appointed and students getting that opportunity is a huge achievement for them. I take this opportunity to congratulate the 32 student team, and I wish they make lasting contributions in the history of Suprabhat. Hope to receive new initiatives from them, hope to receive new ideas from them, because we understand students, young students, younger in mind, will always come up with creative ideas. A piece of advice to all the students who are listening to me today: your power and authority will flow from you when you are responsible, and the examples that you set should definitely make a difference. Learn to balance your additional responsibilities, and I wish each one of you a fulfilling experience for this year, and hope to see a wonderful team coming up, collaborating with the school and taking the school to a greater heights. So wishing all the students once again and extending my wishes to teachers on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I conclude by saying that very soon this serious situation which we are experiencing should come to an end. The bell should ring again in school, the children should walk into the gates, and we should see the joy of learning on all their faces. So hope to see that day very soon, and hope to see that we are all out of this difficult situation very soon and become normal at the best and with the blessings of Almighty. So thank you so much. Happy Teachers' Day once again to all of you. Hope that you will enjoy the program, and today's program is has been worked out with a lot of hard work and dedication, because as you all know, conducting the program online is not that easy. So I request the parents who are watching us also to please extend your wishes so that we can go ahead with the program successfully. Thank you once again, Teachers Day.
डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्मदिन है। वे राष्ट्रपति बनने से पहले एक महान प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षक थे, इसलिए उनका जन्मदिन हर वर्ष हम शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं।
వెబ్సైట్లో వీక్షిస్తున్నటువంటి ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి జోడీస్ అందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారం, సుమాంజలు. ఇక అన్నదానం ఆకలి తీరుస్తుంది, అక్షర జ్ఞానం జ్ఞానాన్ని పెంపొందిస్తుంది.
My dear teachers, all teachers watching us online, a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Today, like students our principal ma'am gave us a topic to speak on, the gist of a journey in Suprabhat. So mine being just a couple of years, but nevertheless it has a beautiful epics here. So I just walked in the gates of Suprabhat, maybe June ending of 2018, for an interview as a teacher of English. And my demo was done, was video shooted also. And I felt a bit new because I had done.
Ladies sir, Principal ma'am, Sri Devasanta ma'am, Ashrata ma'am, all my dear HODs, and all the members, those who are in the webinar, to every one of you, happy Teachers Day and a happy good afternoon to you. It is my journey in the Suprabhat. I joined here in the year 2014 as a high school mathematics teacher. Then immediately the next year I was promoted to be HOD, and with my team I could achieve the first position in the department competition.
We are the members of Suprabhat from the month of April. When I walked along with one of my friends, and also she was my colleague, and she worked even in Suprabhat for the first 3 years as an English teacher. We're walking in street number 8. Then we have seen the posters of Suprabhat.
Good morning, Narendra Reddy sir, Principal ma'am, and my dear colleagues and all the viewers who are watching the program, and for all the students and everyone. Once again, good morning and happy Teachers Day once again. I started my journey in 2010 in the base of the Suprabhat, and I taught for 1 year, and later on I left the country and back again to the Suprabhat in 2013. Till today, I am associated with Suprabhat.
I thank Principal Ma'am and CH Ashlata Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to serve Suprabhat. I feel proud to be a part of Suprabhat, and I have a lovely team here. My colleagues and my department members are very much supportive and very much caring, and who are there for me to help 24/7 whenever I need them.
As a teacher, was started in Suprabhat in the year 2013. Teaching is a rewarding profession. At times, I am faced with responsibilities and challenges.
Very hard since so many days to make this program very successful for today, because never have we done such kind of events any time in the history of our school. And I was a little worried from few days that how is it practically going to work on, and what are the technical glitches we are going to get. Are we going to successfully initiate this idea or no, was my worry. And truly speaking, we have spent 2 or 3 sleepless nights where we were continuously working on how is that we are going to be connected to students and all. And yesterday, even when we had run through, there were many checks being done and advices being given, suggestions put forth to the students how to correct themselves. So this was not definitely a easy task. So I extend my hearty wishes to firstly Nutan sir, Ashok sir, Kavita ma'am, Sudhakar sir and Narasimha Reddy sir for being here tomorrow like yesterday, and Vanishri ma'am working online correcting the students how they should stand and present themselves. So thank you all. Without the teamwork, this wouldn't have been possible. So I take this privilege inviting Narendra sir to please pass on the appreciation bouquet to all the organizers of this event. Sir, please.